Hi friends, welcome back to STICKONTECH. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe so you will never miss our updates. In today's DIY session, we are building a compact remote controller tester with 4 electronic components. As we know, the use of a wireless remote controller eliminates the need for the operator to be in direct contact with a running machine. We can take TV as example. When your remote controller doesn't work while you're watching TV or Netflix, you will try replacing batteries or slapping, whacking or vigorously shaking the remote. Actually, these activities will essentially reposition the battery contacts ever so slightly. This may help achieve your goals. But if you do all these things and your remote controller doesn't work and you don't know if your remote gone bad or the gadgets, we are going to make a remote controller tester circuit which can be easily made in 5 minutes. So let's start. First, we need to build the circuit on a breadboard, then we will make it to a professional device. The components required for the circuits are TSOP 1838 IR receiver, 220 ohms resistor, 3 volt LED and a buzzer, a power bank for testing the circuit. TSOP 1838 IR receiver, which receives the IR waves from the remote controllers and give a low pulse at its output. Let's assemble the circuit as shown in the picture. Here, TSOP sensor is powered with 5 volt. The negative pins of LED and buzzers are connected to output pin of TSOP sensor and the positive pin to 5 volt. Now connect the 5 volt to the breadboard. Now press the buttons of the remote controller. Perfect. Let's assemble the same circuit on a PCB. You can do it in your own creative way. We are using a mobile charging adapter as the enclosure. The 5 volt supply can be obtained from it. Mark the positive and negative pins of the charging cable and remove it. Then connect positive and negative pins of our circuit to the same points. We are planning to place the buzzer and the LED on the facing side of the adapter. Now connect the cables from the buzzer to the circuit. Insert the boards carefully and close the cover. So here is our final product. Now let's connect the power and test. Now press the buttons of the remote controller. You can use this device as a universal remote control tester. If the remote controller is working, the tester LED should light and produces beep sound according to the pulses of the remote controllers. Hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching. For more tech updates, please visit STICKONTECH.com.